Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL One X, and let me show you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and let's scroll to find the settings. Here let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose the system, and here we've got reset options, so let's tap on it. As you can see, on the second position we've got reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, so let's tap on it. And now your device is telling you that this operation will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. If you are ready, click on Reset Settings, click on Reset Settings again. And that's all. Network settings have been reset successfully. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.